Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am dealing with 7th class maths, ratios and applications. In that I am dealing with simple interest. Now what is meant by simple interest? Usually simple interest means it is the interest extra amount that the person will take from the one. There are two persons here. One is money lender and another one is money borrower. The one who lends the money, lends means give the money for the sake of any use. A person needs money, he goes to the other person who is having a good amount with him. He asks him, I want some amount, you give me. So that amount which he borrowed, that is principal. So in this, what is a principal? Principal means amount borrowed. Amount borrowed is principal. Usually, to construct houses, to purchase vehicles, and all, they take bank loans. So, the amount that they wanted, that is called principal. Now, the bank will not give that amount as they like. They say that by the end of year, for this much amount, whatever amount you are taking, you have to pay some interest. So that what happens, the amount that he is returning will be more than what he has borrowed. So the returning amount is called amount. Amount is returned money, I can say, returned money. It is called amount. Principal is considered as P, amount is considered as A, and you will be getting this amount for some interest. Usually, interest is it is represented by I, but we call it as rate. Always rate will be given in percentage. That means what they say, for 100 rupees, you have to pay 10 rupees extra in 1 year. So, how many hundreds he has taken, that many tens extra he has to pay for 1 year. How many years he is taking, it will multiply by that. That is why when one is borrowing money from money lender or from the bank, one should be careful about the interest. If interest is high, lots of amount one has to return. Okay. Now rate percent is here, interest amount and rate percent. Now I will be talking about certain formulae which we are using to solve the problems here. The formulae are first, let me talk about amount. Amount that you are returning is nothing but the principal plus interest. That means if you want principal, from amount you have to subtract interest, or if you want interest, from amount you are subtracting principal. Apart from that, interest formula is PTR by 100, where P is principal, P is principal, and T is time. Time means years, and R is rate. Okay, these are the basic formulae which we are going to use in the problems hereafter, children. Please copy this. This is small introduction about simple interest. Now we'll start doing the sums. Now you have got example 20. Example 20. Let me see what is the example 20 deals with. Sunita takes a loan of 5,000 rupees. It is like this. Sunita takes a loan. Is like this. Let me read the sum. Sunita takes a loan of 5,000 rupees at 12% rate of interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of 1 year. What is given here? She takes a loan, that means amount that she has borrowed, that is principal is rupees 5,000 and rate is given as 12% and time is given as 1 year. So the question is, you need to find out interest. I is equal to how much? This is the question. I told you the formula. I is equal to PTR by 100. So P is 5,000 into T is 1 into R 12 by 100. These two zeros will get cancelled. 0, 12 5s are 60. So 600 rupees. Therefore, I is equal to rupees 600. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, example 21. In what time it goes on like this? Let me read. In what time will rupees 6,880 amounts to 7,224 if simple interest is calculated at 10% per annum? So in what time? The question is time. We need to find out time. So what is given to us? In what time rupees 6,880 amounts to 7,224. That means principal is given rupees 6,880 and amount is given rupees 7,224 and rate is given as 10%. Now, time is how much? So, we know that I means PTR by 100. So, we will be getting the answer only when you know I. I have already given you the formula, children. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest. Interest is nothing but amount minus P. That is 7224 minus 6880. So 7224 6880. So 4 here and 4 here, 3. 344. So amount is interest is equal to 344. Now we need time. So let us see by using I. I is equal to PTR by 100. I we got as 344 is equal to principal is 6880 into time we don't know into rate is 10 by 100. So you want t, make t as a subject. T is equal to, these two you have to multiply, 344 into 100 by, this becomes a division, 6880 into 10. These two, this 0 also will get cancelled. See children, 344 directly we are able to see, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So 2s are. Time is 1 by 2. Time is 1 by 2 means what you can write? Time is half year. Half year means how much? 6 months. Okay, this is the answer for this problem, children. Now, wait. Now, the next one. Example 22. What sum will, it goes on like this. The question is, what sum will yield an interest of rupees 3927 in 2 years and 4 months at 8% per annum? What they have given? Interest they have given. Interest is 3927 in 2 years 4 months and rate is given 8%. Now you need to find out the principal. What is the principal you have to write. So what is given to you? Interest is given as rupees 3927 and rate is given as 8% and time is given as 2 years 4 months. 2 years 4 months. That means 2 years plus, say 4 months. We know that 12 months make 1 year and 4 months make how many years? 4 by 12, 1 by 3 years. So always you need to have the same units. That means we have to have the same years. 2 years plus 1 by 3 years. That means how much children? 3 here. 3 to the 6 plus 1. 7 by 3 years is T. And what is P? This is the question. Now we know that I is equal to PTR by 100. So, what is I? If you want to P, what you have to do, children? P is equal to 100I by T and R. That is 100 into, what is I? I is 3927 by, what is the time? 7 by 3 into R. What is R? Rate is 8%. So how can you write this, children? 100 into 3927. You have to write reciprocal of it. 3 by 7 into 8 becomes 1 by 8. So what can we do here? 7 5s are 35. You can cancel it with 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 7 1s are. Okay. Next. Anything else you have got? Now 3 you cannot cancel. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 0. Okay. 2 2s are 2. 20 5s are. So how much you are getting? 25 threes are 75. 561 into 75. 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. 25 3 28. 7 ones are 7 6 are 42. 35 4 39. So 5 here, 7 here, 10 here, 12 here, 4 here. So total you are getting 42075 by 2. That means 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 40, 2 fives are. So 2103750. Therefore, P is equal to rupees 21037.50. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now let us go to the example 24. At what rate it goes on like this? The question is, at what rate per annum will the principal triples 16 years? Triples means 3 times. So they are asking rate. We don't know, nothing is given to us. So principal, let P is equal to X rupees. And what they say, at what rate per annum will the principal triples? Amount is equal to 3 into rupees X. That means what? Rupees 3x is amount. And time is given as 16 years. And rate is how much they are asking. So again, we want amount I, interest. I is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 3x minus principal is x, that is 2x rupees is interest. Now I is equal to PTR by 100. Now we want rate. R is equal to 100I by PT. That is equal to 100 into what is interest? 2x by principal is how much? Principal is x into time is how much? 16 years. So x and x will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 100 by 8. 100 by 8. 100 by 8. How much you will be getting? 100 by 8 means 4 2s are 4 25s are. So 25 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. 12 1 by 2% is the rate. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. With this, I am going to end your class. Remaining, I will be teaching in the next class.